Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few things are happening in the Insider Rings. First of all, today, August the 3rd, we have the Windows Insider Preview Build 25174 released to the insiders in the dev channel. So this is the latest, and of course we'll talk about it a little later today, see what's new or not, and see how stable it is. There is also, for those in the beta channel, if you're on the build 22622 ring, there's an update that brings you to 22622.450, and this is to the beta channel, so it also is for 621. Now it fixes a few things and has an enhanced Windows Defender, fixes high CPU usage problem that some people were actually reporting. And of course, these are the things happening in the Insider program right now. The interesting aspect of the future of the Windows Insider program is something I'm wondering here, because as we change the way that Windows will be, published every 3 years with probably a new version and so on, I think in the near future, there's going to need to be a big change in the Windows Insider program. I think the Windows Insider program is completely lost in what they're doing. An example of that is, two different builds in the same channel, which is kind of weird, and the release preview and the dev, and what exactly is happening is making it more complex. Plus, add to the fact that most of the stuff we get doesn't really give much. I think there really needs to be a complete overhaul of the Windows Insider program, personally. But until that might or might never happen, this is the builds that we have. So if you're on the beta, since yesterday, you can get 22621, 22622.450 with mostly bug fixes, but a few little enhancements. And if you're on the dev channel, we have 25174. That is downloading, as you see here on my PC, and I'll be talking about it a little later today. So head on to your Insider program machines if you are insiders. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.